Hi, Esteban. Good morning. How you doing?
Hello, how are you?
Listen, tell me the new trick you just found to make your life easier. What you done?
It's a very nice trick. Normally we use a table with glass and iron structure.
Oh,
Okay?
good. So that's iron.
And use this machine for cutting the hot machine for cutting the fabric.
Yep.
But normally I have troubles with the cable. But you look, I use I don't know in English, prolongator.
Yep.
Prolongator, and I put this. This is the magic trick. This
What is that?
Free
A worm?
It's a small magnet.
Oh, it's a magnet.
It's a magnet with a tape
Yeah.
in the cable.
Easy, cheapy.
And look, I can move in around the table.
Oh, no.
I have all my cables easy. Don't worry. If you need more magnet, it's very easy.
Oh, now that's cool. But people use things
so
in the
touching.
things in the ceiling very complicated with springs and cables and weights and
Yeah, but I don't like it in the floor.
oh, in the ceiling. Yeah.
Ceiling, when you're using the cable in the top and moving around the table, it's a turn in the cable. In this case, it's so easy. You
Yeah.
have to put in the place and cut it. It's
Easy,
very
cheapy trick, Los Hermanos way. Thanks, Esteban, for sharing.
Bye bye, see you.